The Magnitudes Foundation have around 25 scholars in PUP, and then we also give some, not only to scholars, also to some, let's say for example, there's typhoon in the Philippines, we also donated that. And also before, during COVID. So just want to, on the review of Bayanihan Cup, we collected 8,000 net, 8,269. Thank you very much. That's a big amount of money. And then the latest donation we provided in the Philippines, I don't know if you remember the Typhoon Christine. That's I think so far, right, a big typhoon. So we donated 100,000. And also for this year, we have 25 scholars from PUP. Even though PUP is Polytechnic University of the Philippines, even though I think it's kind of free, but we provided like housing, you know, because some of them came from the provinces. So they need to buy books and some housing. So 25 scholars for this year. And then also we provided some donation to some schools in the province. I think Lukban, I think it's in Quezon. And also Santa Elena. And these are some testimonials from them. And then Sunny and I are officers in this Magnitudes Foundation, so maybe forget me, it's Sunny, at least it's credible if there's Sunny there. And the year is wrong, we're inviting you to join next year's Bayanihan Cup, Coyote Creek Golf Course, June 8. So, reserve your calendar. 2025, not last June. Thank you. June.
What they earned last time. Because SDI is a small foundation run by, few families with a big gun so far, and I'm just trying to help them out. So I just want to extend to everybody for joining the SDI golf tournament, because that's their main fundraising event. Some people here donated other than joining the tournament, some donations. I will not name names. You know those guys, anyway. You know who you are. And our next tournament will be May 17. That's Saturday, maybe Metro again. I just want to let you know that the SDA group has a movement. The scholars that we have provided, Stephen, we only provide them with expenses, daily expenses, because most of colleges there are free, government. So right now, this year, the movement of the scholars, the scholars who are doing this, they were awarded the, what you call this, outstanding Calabagueños of their municipality. So it reflects to all of us. So again, thank you for all your support. Hope to see you next year, May 17. Thank you.
First of all, I would like to thank everyone who joined the TFC Cup last July 8, and we actually had a total net revenue of a little over 25,000. That money that we got were actually sent to our beneficiaries in the Philippines, and recently we also donated money for all the calamity victims, which we already sent a little over 50,000 US dollars. So until now, we are doing a fundraising for those affected by calamity, especially those hit by Pepito, Typhoon Pepito and Typhoon Christine. So for next year, we don't have the date yet, but of course we have planned for the TFC Youth Cup. There might be a lot of changes for that. We have learned a lot of experience for so many years, for 5 years already. So for those of you who've been joining and would like to join for this next year, I hope to see you and participate and support our cause, Panday Bata. So thank you, Merry Christmas. I know everyone is hungry, so
I'll see you tonight.